welcome to the Bigo'shouse. Today we're doing a review on Rough Ryder, the world's smallest knife. So, on first glance, So on first glance, it's literally tiny. Here, let's do a comparison. I'm gonna hold it fully open. Actually, let's do it with my pinky. Let's get it off the keyring first. So compared to my pinky, it's the size of my pinky. And then closed, it's pretty hard to open and close. And then closed, it's that big, tiny. I got this at Ace Hardware in Hiram. It's $5. And it's not sharp at all. You can barely sharpen it. Since it's so tiny. But I mean, it's sharp. It can do, it can, let's see if it can scratch a piece of metal. Oh yeah, nice, it's scratched. Now let's see if it can scratch a piece. Yep, you'll see it, it's right, that's the scratch. Now we're gonna see, can it cut? Let's see if it can cut through this cardboard. It's pretty thick. It's about as thick as the top part of the blade. So let's see. Yep, that is from the knife. It's really hard to cut and stab though, since it is so tiny. But it's so dull you can't even slice through paper. That's the end of today's video. Bye guys. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Bye.